don't think black folks supposed to be out here. That looks a little deep. Don't look down. Don't look down.
There?
¿Qué lo que?
Tranquilo. Ah, okay. We jump from there.
See? ¿Listas? I'm so excited. Zara and I, we were the first people to go on the zip line. We're so brave. It wasn't by choice for her. She was like, I don't want to go.
But it's no way to go back walking. It was like what? Like,
where the fuck is she going?
Here you go to the bucket. You need to pee?
Caca. I'm pumped now. I'm excited. I'm lit. Woo! Cocotazo.
How do we know what time it is?
What time? No sé.
Do you think my friend is there?
No. How was it?
Awesome.
You weren't that scared?
Yeah, it was good.
It's good? Okay. You ready to jump in the water?
To be determined.
We're still thinking, right?
You still thinking about it? You may have to walk down.
Yeah.
Oh, that's... You gotta go to Monkey Jungle, but Monkey Jungle is kind of expensive. And you don't like expensive things. But if you want, we can only do the monkeys. Because you already did zip line.
I mean, you're a monkey, so I already see one.
Oh, I feel so weird because I don't have my wedding rings.
People get married and start acting way different.
I take it out because I don't want to lose. But that's my finger.
Oh, shit! I mean, shoot.
I'll do the one there.
It's not that bad, see?
I think that one is not what you actually jump off of. Yeah, I think that's the one.
I want to do that.
Look at all these people. They're doing it. If they can do it, I know I can. That's for the slide. Yeah,
Okay.
just put them straight down.
Okay,
Like a pencil,
Alright.
just a torpedo straight into the water.
All right, thank you. So I don't die or hurt myself.
Yeah, I would hate for you to dislocate a shoulder or something.
I know.
You think I can understand how it's blind people?
You're right, I don't. How was the zip line, guys? You enjoyed it?
Yeah, it was fun.
That's good. Whenever Zara gets scared, she gets real mad. She's like, ah, da, 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 da. Just-
Stop.
I'm so excited. Look at the little niño. Push him.
Did you record him? If you don't record him.
It's not as bad as it looks.
Oh, I do 30s at home.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, you're a daredevil.
Yeah.
I'm scared. I can't do
That's
that.
my favorite thing to do.
We're jumping from right there.
Not high at all.
It's not that bad. Look. Yeah, you guys do 30s back home, right?
Yeah, it's not.
I want to be like you guys when I get older.
Start young then.
Start young. Oh, were you like a stunt pilot or something?
No, we just like fun.
Okay. Yeah, she doesn't like fun. She's scared.
As a teacher, is that daring enough?
Oh, I mean, honestly,
Not really.
if you look at some of these videos nowadays, it definitely is.
Yeah, you're
I got out just in time.
Wow. They make it so easy.
It is easy.
How many people get there and can't go?
I've seen a few people walk down the stairs.
Oh, right. They just can't do it.
Oh, what was that?
Well, we have friends and people we take jumping where we live, and sometimes they stay for 10 minutes.
Do you push them?
No, we never do.
Oh, that's how I got hurt.
That was usually out. No, we just like you had an arm slap. She didn't keep her arms in. That's a slap.
So do you have any expert tips or advice you can give me?
Well, we do wear life jackets.
Okay.
Well, if it's 30, we do.
Right.
Just so we come up faster. And we always do this.
You hold it tight.
Yep.
You can do it!
And really keep in.
Uh-huh.
And like he said, you just do a little
Little step off.
leap,
Don't jump. Right.
because that throws your balance. And
Ah.
there's somewhere we have to
Woo!
because
You can do
There's
it!
like rocks. You have to clear the rock.
right. So we gotta do this.
Right.
You know,
don't go back. You can do it.
Oh, it's okay.
Oh, little guys. This is good road.
A little guy did it earlier. I mean, he just jumped right off. He was
My granddaughters are fearless.
really. Oh, you gotta get them in the Olympics quick then. Oh, she's nervous. You got it, darling. Ooh, that was a big.
Estamos listos.
Estamos listos, lo siento. Mi profesora está basura. Ella.
And I got you on video. I won't ready. So,
Yeah, everyone knows she's a bad teacher. Don't book with Zara.
yeah, that's why he's hanging out with me all the time because I'm a bad teacher.
We have so much fun together.
Blind. Blind. That's the word, right?
Blind. See?
I gotta look through.
Oh, did you want to go before I went?
No, you go with me.
Am I the first person to go? Oh man, this is fun.
Oh my god, I'm so scared.
Woo! Oh, is he pushing people? Can you see? We're almost there, guys. Oh my goodness. I don't know. I'm getting a little scared now. I'm getting a little scared. I can't lie. Oh shit!
Okay, now we do a little jump and we swim over there, okay?
We're gonna.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Ah! ¡Qué bueno, chica! You did it!
We're gonna check out how much it is to jump without the people just in case I don't want to.
Oh, wait. No.
He just wants to scare you.
Okay. Oh, fuck. That one was deeper.
When we fell.
That one was deeper. Oh, shit. Oh, okay.
All the water was in my nose.
All right, see. Okay, it's time for the slide. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to get you wet.
Yeah, you go first.
I go first.
Yeah. Please.
Do we sit up or do we lay down?
Sit.
Sit. Okay.
Whee! Sit down after.
Up here. Okay. Slide. Oh, this hurts my ass.
Hold your breath.
That was a little rough. Good. How are you? Was it fun?
Oh yeah! You get water in my nose. Yeah.
It's going everywhere.
Oh yeah.
Okay. We gotta swim. Oh. Somebody slide. No, I'm waiting. Woo! Shit. Jump. Man. If I die, it's his fault. All right, Zara. You jumping, right? Go. Fuck it. Oh shit. Zara! Jump! It's not bad.
It was not that
I'm good. That's it. No puedo jump.
You slide or jump? You slide or jump?
Zara! Shit.
Right here.
Right here?
Yeah.
Oh shit. I jumped twice!
That's twice?
Yeah?
That's awesome.
Oh! We did it. Somos lobos.
I do the slide because
Why do you jump? I jumped for you.
exactly you do twice, so I did the slide.
I went up to go encourage you and you were like, nah, I'm not
I
jumping.
did the slide. It was almost the same.
No.
It was.
It was so much fun.
Because you like it. I don't wanna die. You go first, I go first.
No, you go first.
This time, right?
I went first all the time.
No,
Oh, those siento.
no.
I didn't mean to hit you, sorry. ¿Cuánto más? Este. Woo, Zara! Oh shit, okay. Un momento. Ah, diablita. Oh shit. Oh, what the fuck? Coño! What the? That nigga threw me off! What happened to you? What the hell? Okay, there we go, we made it.
I'm alive!
Oh man. ¿Quieres un foto?
It was good, yo.
We conquered fears today.
He said the fear's in the head, so I told him my head is too big, so I got a lot of fear in my head. I got a lot of space for fear in my head. Send me that part.
Okay.
Of the thing of the fear. What you doing? I need to take a picture with your real Dominican outfit. They give him like a plastic shoes, but it's like a real Dominican shoes. It's funny. What you doing?
Cleaning my shit. I'm cleaning my
It's
shit.
so horrible. You always say weird things. I'll walk alone. I'm going to walk alone now.
I panicked for a minute because it's to the side.
Vámonos, Bloody. Bloody, vámonos, Bloody.